Hello, I'm David Chaston with 98.9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of stalling activity worldwide. And New Zealand looks like an island of prosperity in comparison. In the US, retailers are reporting sluggish Black Friday spending, with sales falling 11% from the same period last year. That's according to an industry group. Meanwhile, American factory activity moderated in November, but built rises in new orders and export orders. The moderation is from a high level, however, and all this suggests their economy retains its new mojo despite slowing global growth. Growth in Chinese factories stalled in November as output shrank for the first time in 6 months, reinforcing expectations that authorities there will roll out more aggressive stimulus. In Japan, Moodys have downgraded their credit rating from AA3 to A1 as concerns mount that they will not get on top of their issues. The credit rating move suggests confidence in Prime Minister Abe's radical program is ebbing. In Europe, Germany, Italy and France all reported contracting manufacturing sectors in November. This doesn't look good at all and comes on top of an inflation rate that has almost disappeared. We reported on the Swiss gold referendum question yesterday, but overlooked another issue they were deciding: immigration levels. Swiss voters, however, overwhelmingly rejected a proposal by a Green group to drastically curb the influx of foreigners seeking to work and live in their country. It was a second major effort this year aimed at restricting immigration. Both have failed. US Treasury 10-year bond yields were unchanged in New York overnight, holding at just 2.17%. New Zealand swap rate starts today lower, however, and flatter. In fact, the 210 curve is just at 42 basis points, and the more important 1.5 curve, more important from a mortgage point of view anyway, is now at just 33 basis points, which is a 6-year low. Meanwhile, the oil price has seen a small bounce overnight. The US price is now at $69 a barrel, and the Brent price is just on $72 a barrel after last week's sudden fall. No real recovery yet, but we should see the benefits flow into our own spending power. The Russian ruble, however, plunged to a record low for a third day, prompting speculation that Russia's central bank intervened to stem losses triggered by the tumbling oil prices. The gold price, however, has made a spectacular comeback overnight, adding 5% or more than $65 to rise back above $1,200 an ounce. And is now at that's after it almost fell to $1,140 an ounce. It's currently at $1,207. The Kiwi dollar strengthened overnight against all comers. We start today at 79 US cents, 92.8 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 78.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 98.9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.